Hey everyone, I've been having my cast iron pan heating up, getting nice and hot. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to coat it. I'm going to sear my pork butt before I put it in the cast iron pan. I don't have an Instapot yet, so when I do, that's how I will be doing my Kahlúa pork, Kahlúa pig, however you want to call it. I did rinse my pork before, as soon as I took it out of the package. So I'm just going to sear the outside of this pork. I'm going to throw a lot of pink Himalayan sea salt, and you will need liquid smoke. Always remember, wash your hands after touching raw meat. Now I'm going to flip it. All that crispiness is going to give it so much flavor. I mean, all that brownness is going to give the food so much flavor. Not as dark, but it's dark enough. Here up the sides. More in the middle. Cast iron pans can really retain the heat, so I just turn the heat down a little bit. I would say now it's like on a medium high versus being on high. The original recipe said like 3.5 pounds. This is 8 pounds. And I did get with the bone in, so I feel like meat just tastes better when you leave the bone in. The bone just gives it so much more flavor. I'm going to turn this pan off, and I'm going to get you moved over because the next step is seasoning it and putting it in the crock pot. Okay, so update. We ran into a little problem. My pork is too big, so I had to trim it, and now I'm searing the middle, the part that I trimmed off. So here I have 2.5 tablespoons of pink Himalayan fine sea salt, and we're going to just spread it evenly all over the pork. Yes, I know it seems like a lot, but I swear it's not. I did not sear that part. Right out the pan. That's all over. Now we're going to add the liquid smoke. This is what I have. You can use whatever brand. This is the one that my store had. We add this because traditionally this is cooked underground. I do have a smoker, but I didn't have time to do that today, so that's why I'm doing the crock pot. Now, I don't know if this is authentic, but this is from the recipe. I'm just going to do what my recipe that I found called for. And it's just a couple cloves of garlic. All my garlic is frozen, so looks so good. And who doesn't like garlic? I'm gonna do 4 cloves. You don't have to do garlic. You can add more garlic than this, but I figure this is more than enough. You can do ginger as well. I know some people do the ginger. Like I said, my garlic is frozen, so. If you don't have fresh garlic and you want it, you could use granulated garlic. I've never done it before, but I don't see why it wouldn't work out for you. Just don't use garlic salt because of all the Himalayan salt that you already sprinkled all over your pork. So I'm gonna put the lid on. I have this on high, and I will bring you back when it's done.